Hello guys, what's up? Today we are going to do a short unboxing, and also we are also gonna replay. we are also gonna install a screen protector to our OnePlus 7T, which I have recently bought in the month of January, I guess. So yeah, we are gonna do that, and also let me tell you, I haven't changed anything in this phone. It comes with a temporary screen protector, which is still now, and you can see the heavy scratches on here. You can see this; it has been scratched really, and it's kind of a good screen protector, but again, it's a plastic one. So we're gonna apply a glass today. Okay, so let us see how it works. And also, you remember this cover which I have recently bought it from OnePlus. The time which I have bought the device itself. Let us keep this aside, and you can see how much dusty the device has become now. And I haven't removed the cover yet, so let us do one thing. Let us clean the device first, and then we will try to start the installation of this particular device. January, or yeah, in the month of January, I guess I have received it. It's been almost a month. It's lying in my desk. So let us see how it goes. I have already opened the package, to be frank with you, and this is the one which I have placed an order for. I see that they are also with OnePlus, which OnePlus is selling actually, but then again, it costs a lot, so I thought let us go with the cheaper one now. Let's see how it goes. So this is the one which I have got. It says solution and gadget accessories. Well, it says gadget accessories everywhere, and it gives the price of if you can check it here, it says $999, but it's not $999. What exactly I have placed an order for, and what exactly I have received it for is, if I can show you the price, where the price is, yeah, you can see the price here. Yeah, this is the invoice. If you can barely see it, it's $149 to what exactly it is written here. It's $149. So let's see how it goes, because it might be a bit thinner one than what exactly we get with OnePlus. And so let us see what exactly we get in the package, and then we will be proceeding further. So packaging is nice, not to complain too much. In 150 rupees, hardly you will be what exactly you will be expecting in 150 rupees. So let's see how it goes. And yeah, I guess you remember this the wrap which I have installed earlier, and to this particular table, but then again, as you can see here, it was not installed properly. We have these incorrections here, which I need to remove and again paste new one, but then again was too busy, so I didn't do that. Let's see if I will be coming up with a different table actually, because it was really difficult to do on this. So let's check and let's see what we can do. And if you remember that this is the silver matte finish variant which I have purchased the OnePlus device. So let's go with it and check how it goes. Let us do the unboxing of this first, and let's see what are the products and accessories we get in this particular package. Rupees pack, guys, hardly 150 rupees, and OnePlus was selling it around for 500 rupees, I guess. And I thought let us go with the cheaper one, and let's see, because I will be always using the stuff which is sold by the particular premium companies. But then again, I thought let us try this time. Let us try a cheaper one. Let us see how it goes. And right now I bought it for 150 rupees, so we can't expect a lot from 150 rupees, guys, as you know. So let us see what we got in it. It hasn't come with any kind of seal and all, but then again, it looks premium one. So let's see how it goes. Opening up from here, what we get is for 150 rupees, guys, this is a nice packaging again. It's very good cardboard packaging here. You can see again it says solution and gadget accessories. It has their logo. It gives the instructions, pretty good instructions here. First, you need to clean your screen, then peel off the film which is behind the screen protector, then align it properly, and then load to the screen. So it's the basic thing how it exactly goes. So let us see, and let's put this aside now. So, this is how it gets. I mean, how this is how you receive it. So let me open it for you, and review. They are asking for a review, so let's see first. Let us use, then we can give a review to them. So yeah, it's a nice packaging, guys. Actually, nice presentation. You'll be having two wipes here. It says number 1 is wet and number 2 is dry, and also it's in strange orange color. Let's see what it is. And okay, so orange is the color of this particular plastic which is holding the glue glue behind the guard, and it says that the whole glass has that sticky properties, which is the glue basically. Yeah, it says tell, if you can see, and edge to edge 9H glass shield it says, and it says 11D here. So key beauty of the curve, and it gives some code here. It says OnePlus 7T, so it fits for my mobile. The bezels are really good. There's no problem with the bezels. I don't think there should be any problem again. And also, let me tell you, as I have thought it earlier, as this is just for 150 rupees, the glass is really thin. Really thin, guys. It's hard. See the difference with this camera? I don't think you can. Just try to. Yeah, so let us try to peel out the other one here from here first. So this is the one, guys. Again, let me remind you, this is the one which we get from with the phone itself. I haven't made any changes to this, and this is a normal protector. And if you can see this again, this is the damage here which caused while using, and it's normal plastic screen protector, so you can expect that kind of damage there. And let me peel this off first, then we can clean it. So yeah, well, that's a nice sound. And yeah, the glass is really great, guys, on this. But then again, we can't use the glass just like that. If you can see the damage now better, then it will be really great. If you can see this there, you can see that it's really scratched a lot. I can't even read alphabets from a bit far if I'm keeping this like just like this. Well, now the screen protection is off. The device is clean almost. We can't say it's really clean, but then again, and from behind we need to clean it. As I have told you, I haven't removed the case till now from the day I have installed it, and it's really dirty. Well, let's see what we get in these. So it says it's a wet wipe. It says stay down from here, but then again, I've already done some damage over here as well. So yes, this is a wet wipe, so we can just keep it like this. Let's smell this. Oh, it's really hard alcohol. You are done with the wet wipe. Now let's clean this with a dry wipe. While applying this, it's you need to just put it like this and just align it properly and just to release it and let it sit out first. Then you can remove all the bubbles, if any. Usually you will not get, just you can see that it's going really smooth. I guess I have some dust in there. Let me check and clean it up. So now you can see it's all set. You need not to do anything till now, but now just take this dry wipe, start pushing it from above, from the upper part. Just do push it to the max, the corners, the edges, and do it gently below where you see like these kind of bubbles or gap, whatever you call that. So just do it normally. Yeah, it will be getting done. You should not face any problem then. Yes, so it is done almost. I guess I got something wrong here. Almost there, guys. Actually, it's not the perfect one which I have done, but then again, it's almost nice. Well, finally I have installed a glass on my phone. It's again a fingerprint magnet, guys. Like these devices. If it was in a matte finish, I would have loved it. But I'm searching for a matte finish one. If I get some matte finish, screen guard or screen protector, for surely I'll apply it and I'll make a video on that as well, because they are really nice. They are not fingerprint magnets, at least. This was the video about installing a glass screen guard to a device, that's OnePlus 7T again. But then again, guys, let me tell you, screen protector is a different thing, but glass is glass, whatever it is. If you want to protect your device, you need to do one thing that's protected. You can't rely on this glass or any other glass which you're gonna install on this, even though if it is a kind of 100,000 rupees or $1,000 glass, even though you can't rely on that. So it's better to protect your device every time, even though, these are just kind of accessories which you think at some point this is gonna support, but then again I don't think. And usually they say to change or to reinstall or update the fingerprint scanner again once you are installing it, but then again I don't see any changes here. As you can see, this it's not working and not a problem there. So, fine. So that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you have enjoyed it. And also, if you have installed any other screen protectors, let us know in the comment section. Let me try those as well, if in case you face some problem, or if you think that's really great, which is not breaking after falling down from like 100 floors or something, which is not possible. But then again, if you are having some other ideas or suggestions, please write down in the comment box. For surely I'll be looking into it and then giving you an update in my next video.